when the situation will come to normal. What about international students? All courses are possible to continue online. Is it possible? Is it true? Is international students losing countries? Hello friends, welcome back to Channel Telugu Road channel. If you are watching for the first time, please press the subscribe button and click bell icon. If you have time, please comment below. Today I want to talk about when the situation will come to normal. What about international students and what about their studies and how they will pursue their degrees online? The answer was right now question mark. Yes, we don't know that due to this Delta variant or due to this COVID-19, we don't know when this situation come to normal. The answer was till question mark. Because of this pandemic, we don't know when this pandemic ends. But what about students' career, their studies, they will lose, right? So still now there was a Delta variant. Every country worrying about this Delta variant, and this Delta variant compared to that before second wave, third wave, it's little bit crazy. Have many deaths and many cases. So many countries thinking that first of all do vaccination. So till now vaccination is going some countries very fast and some countries very slow. For example, we have very big populations like India, China, very big population. Almost I will talk about how many students studying in US. Actually in US 39% of the international students of US was Chinese students and 19% was from India. Almost from 2019-2020 academic year, 3,90,000 Chinese students are studying their studies in US and 1,93,000 from India. So what happened right now? It will shrink this year to 2021 intake because many universities actually they are opening their admissions, but if they are applying for visas, it will be rejected. I got many calls from many students. Every students are saying that, hey, my visa was cancelled. Hey, my visa was rejected. Because many reasons have factors. First of all, some students have no full vaccination, and some students have full vaccination, but they are going through third country. If they get positive in third country, they are not allowed to US. So like that. So that is the main reason, and this Delta variant also very serious. So how right now students will continue their studies? The option was right now only one thing. They will continue online. All courses will do an online. Is it possible? Answer was no. It's not possible. For example, today I want to talk about right now. We're in China. In China, almost 23,000 plus students are studying their courses in China, Indian students. So right now, almost many of them was medical students. If they are studying online, what happen? What they will earn or learn? Yes, medical students need their facilities, laboratories, practice. Many Indian students are writing letter to the Xi Jinping and many international students. More than 4 lakh students are studying in China, international students. So every students are writing, frustrating their studies on online. So I want to talk about the main problem. For example, India. How is India right now situation? Some days lockdown open, some days lockdown. If corona cases decrease, open them. Because the economy was not good. So if they lock down everything, daily wage persons, is very difficult. So definitely they will open. So what is the main thing right now need for students if they want to study their studies in abroad? They need first of all from countryside vaccination and documentation and deals with other countries mostly who are studying in abroad like US, China. So they are dealing with their embassies, and maybe one country, two country, they will never allow any country. It will make consequences. For example, Pakistan cases are very low, just in 2000, 3000 like that. If they are allowing Pakistani students, what about Indian students? So right now, no one are allowed to China. So that is the problem. So who are studying in China, they will continue classes on online. 2021 intake also, they are taking admission through online. So they will continue their studies online. Some universities already delay the course. Some universities still continuing their course. I hope for the best. Maybe next semester it will be under control. I am telling only one thing. Please stay safe until this corona will under control, and take vaccine as soon as possible near your cities, and continue your study online. Never give up. The days will come normal. Hope for the best. See you on the next vlog. Bye bye.